I like this.
But they're like savory. But,
It's good. It's like sweet.
do you not remember having those?
Is it the first time that I came? When we did that like reaction video?
Yeah. I'll never see the light of day.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Christian.
I'm Vivian. What else?
Uh,
Oh, he has a sword? When he
Wait,
has
it's the box cutter?
Oh,
Wait. You got the...
another.
Got the box cutter?
There's too many in this one.
What do you mean?
Too many reasoning death matches.
Oh, you know the full legal name.
Toxic. Yes.
Wait, what's the stab wound? 3 in the back. Cause of death? Okay. Oh no. Maybe that. Probably that one, right?
Yeah, maybe this one. But we'll look at all of them first.
Yeah.
How did the culprit bypass the toxic gas chamber? It's impossible to avoid the gas.
Interesting.
Okay. Wait. Yeah, we're just looking at
Sure,
this.
we die. You should already know this, right? The gas is a special trait.
Special trait.
The gas can see through even a gas mask.
Yeah.
No,
Oh, that is true, right?
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah. Okay.
no ability can nullify its toxicity.
Mm.
Is that true?
Well, we have nothing to prove against it. Just let it be.
Once it hits you, you're done for.
Be ready to press.
You die before reaching Weska.
That doesn't really.
Yeah, but let it play out. Let it play out.
No
Yeah.
one can get past the gas chamber.
Hmm.
Right.
What?
So it is the first one.
Okay.
It's the toxic gas.
Yeah. Bacterial so regular gas masks are ineffective. It takes about 30 minutes after exposure, and death is certain.
Okay.
So it is this one.
Gas chamber.
So it's just the one where it
How
says
did
that
the
you
culprit
can't
bypass
escape
the
it.
toxic
Mm.
gas chamber? It's impossible to avoid the gas.
This one? Mm.
No.
You'd surely die.
Maybe that one. Maybe
Like
the,
if
maybe
they're
that one.
already dead.
The gas is a special trait.
Gas.
The gas can see through even a gas mask.
That's
That's
true.
true.
No ability can nullify its toxicity.
Do that one. Oh, okay, I'm done with
Okay.
that.
No, that's good guess.
So that's true though. That's literally
Yeah.
true though.
Oh.
That's a lie. Bro, Vivia can neutralize the gas.
Even
You
a-
used to be a
oh.
ghost.
They could have lived for 30 minutes.
Let me ask you,
Okay.
Okay, so that's important.
how did the culprit bypass the toxic gas chamber? It's impossible to avoid the gas.
It's not that one.
The culprit would surely die.
This one.
That one, yeah. Oh,
Oh.
so it's not the second one or the fourth one? Is it the very last one?
Oh, I guess it is fatal. But
Maybe.
okay, so something about the timing.
It's probably at the very end. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ask you. How did the culprit bypass the toxic gas chamber? It's
He ducked.
impossible to avoid the gas.
Yeah.
The culprit would surely die.
The culprit would surely
That
die.
is, they will die.
You should already know this, right?
I already know this, right?
The gas is a special trait. The gas can see through even a gas mask.
That's true.
True. And we already tried the one after this.
Can nullify its toxicity.
So it's the one after this.
It's you, you're done for.
Right.
Die before reaching West.
This.
No, this.
Yeah, okay.
Oh.
No,
There we go.
Oh, that's true.
I cut through these lies.
Ah, I forgot about that one.
This is lies and slander. That guy's still taking a break in the back.
If you pass through the
Like, I'll
toxic
let you
gas,
take
you'll
this.
die.
Yeah.
But you'll have 30 minutes, which means you could survive.
What? Don't tell.
There are no gas masks here that can block this toxic gas.
That is
There's
true.
only one way you could get through it. You do nothing.
You do
endure it
nothing.
in hopes of Amapel taking you to the next room.
And then you just die?
ASL.
Then the culprit didn't do anything to counteract it and just passed through the.
It's the only explanation that makes sense. This is the. I can't believe it, but if the culprit really did just endure the toxic gas,
Then they.
So it's actually, is it actually Yakko? Is that what you're saying?
culprit, the culprit, this.
It appears you finally.
It's Yakko, right?
I guess, yeah, right?
Yakko.
Well.
Or is it Vivi?
To have your world, isn't this what you wanted?
So cool.
What's he talking about?
Or is it us? Wait, no.
What?
Mystery
Never
Phantom
mind.
and Vivia
Wait.
are both right subconsciously.
So who's it?
Didn't want to know
Is
the
it
truth.
Yakko?
Yeah, I
But
think they're
then,
saying it's
who
Yakko.
stabbed him?
Up until now, the Mystery Labyrinth was withholding the mysteries that led to the culprit, and that's because it's a reflection of my own.
Master, what's wrong? Do you know who the culprit is? It's the hitman, right?
The truth is worthless.
Wow.
Nothing has less value in this isolated, rainy city. No one wants the truth. Not even you!
He does have a pretty cool character design.
He does.
Now, rot away and die right here! No one will get in my way. Time, Lord. Amaterasu, they both belong to me!
Wow, I'm invested now.
You're now not invested?
No. Okay, but we've done more than
If
usual.
the culprit carried out the
Wait.
crime he
Oh, you just have
deduced,
to repel. Slice, slice, slice them!
then they should be dead from the toxic gas.
Okay. Good.
But no one at the scene has died from poison. If you can understand that much, then what are
You
you
dodge, you
still
dodge.
doing here?
You're right that no one in that lab died from that toxic gas, but that was part of the culprit's plan from the beginning. They planned to distort the facts of their death.
The facts.
Are you
It
sure
is
you want
Yakko.
to face the truth? Your world will fall apart.
No.
The world that you believed in.
Oh no.
Your deduction is wrong. Don't disturb the
Is this what we would have learned if we finished that one Yakko's backstory?
Oh.
Remember when we got the 33%?
Oh, so is he a bad guy?
Is this the best you can do to refute it?
I don't know if he's a bad guy, but he's the culprit.
Oh,
What?
okay.
They're right, this, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I'll
Oh,
expose
nice.
the truth.
It wasn't the rat guy!
Because it wasn't.
Misrepresented their death by using the hitman. The culprit realized their plan would be exposed. If someone in the lab died from toxic gas, so they used the hitman to cover up their own death.
Use the hitman?
Meaning, the hitman wasn't hired to assassinate the doctor.
Oh.
They were hired to cover up the culprit's death by
Oh.
toxic gas.
I didn't pose that one though.
Good.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Hitman's target was
I'll save your dignity.
not the doctor?
Oh, so it is
Was
Yakko.
stabbed by the knife with the inscribed F. Doesn't that belong to the hitman?
No.
It was a similar
No.
knife. The story of Fink the Slaughter Artist using a knife inscribed with the letter F.
Nah, we'll leave it alone until we receive further orders. Did you see the knife stuck in his back?
He's very violent.
I think the slaughter artist uses, right?
Wow,
Heard
imagine
about it.
hiring someone to kill you
Letter F.
with a knife.
So it was all a ruse? real
I don't have to
culprit
imagine.
made it look like the hitman did it?
Stop.
No.
Stop! To hell with detectives and the truth! I won't let you There is no real culprit! Dr. Weska was-
Huh? What's going on? Who's the real culprit?
The real culprit.
Just select them.
Real culprit is.
The time has finally come.
She just
It's time, Yuma.
They're dragging it.
Now we have to do another death match.
If the tiny crack spreads any further, the mirror
Wow.
will shatter,
so wise.
exposing the chaos of knowing this. Will you still expose the truth?
You
now?
gotta.
Show me your conviction.
The clues pointing to the identity of the hitman's target. I know.
Oh, this labyrinth is pretty good. No wonder people like this better than the third one.
Oh really?
Yeah, or that's what
Yeah.
Ninjaydes says at least.
Expose
The investigation wasn't good, but this is pretty good.
Yeah.
Do it.
The
If
twist.
you want to.
Mm.
Wait,
Oh, what is this music? It's so sad.
wait, can you go?
Photo?
Wait, there's music?
Oh, is that Yakko?
Oh, that's probably Yakko, huh?
Oh, that's Yakko, isn't it?
Go down.
What's the clue?
It's probably that one, right? The photo.
Yeah, that's probably not this one.
No, I think yeah, it's the photo. Do that one.
Does Yakko have purple hair?
No, but his wife does?
Oh.
The bloodstains photo
Oh,
found
you're
in the
so
hallway
sad.
of the lab. There was a person pictured with a woman. That was the hitman's target. The real culprit behind this case. The blood
Oh.
obscured the person's face. But I know who it is. It could only be one person.
So sad.
Could only be.
How do you know? That person in the photo is the hitman.
Wait, is it not? Wait, is it vivia? Am I dumb? Why does he look like he's about to die?
Who is it?
It's
No.
It's Yakko, isn't
No.
It's-
Yeah, it has to be.
it? Yomi, yo, be
Yeah,
quiet,
kill
Yomi.
him.
Yo, Yomi, you gotta chill.
Well, I thought they would just come out and say his name like
Yeah,
a
no.
bunch of times.
It's out of these 10 people, please select him.
Oh.
Oh my
They
god,
actually
wait, they
did
have.
it. Oh.
Wow.
Yeah, there's only one option. Oh, I'm so
It was
sad. So
Yakko.
that means he is gonna die.
Wow, this is like the ending of season 3 of Singles Inferno.
Oh.
That one.
Wait, who?
It's not Pink the Slaughter Artist.
I just want to see who. Oh no! So we kill him. Wow, that's. Oh,
And now we see the light.
that's cool. Oh,
Wow.
but
We
why
didn't
did he
have to
do
run and
this?
jump or kick the ball. And...
Mm.
Yakko.
I like
Oh, so he's
that.
actually dying.
Yeah, so he is gonna die.
See, they bait you by letting him live that far. They're like, no, he's
Yeah.
dying.
Oh, why? Why is he doing this?
Or his dead girlfriend.
Huh? Why? Why is Fuzzhead here?
When do we end it?
Right now.
We'll find out next time.
Goodbye.
I should pay attention to the timing.